Now we're going to look at close PO lines. This particular grid, you can see that I have grouped these together by order number. And I'll show you how to do that. Any of the grids can be grouped that way. And the idea here is to eliminate things that are just not going to come in anymore. Close things short. Let's take a look at it. Close PO order lines. So here you can see I have things grouped together. The grouping concept is pretty easy to do. You can come in here and group like that. Group by anything really that's on this screen. I'm just going to scan down this list and I'm going to find an order. Here's one here, trendy products. On order 500, I received 3. I was notified by Trendy that they're not going to fill the rest of this. So I'll just check that box and say close line. That line is now closed. If you were to look at that, I'll go ahead and refresh the screen. That Trendy products is off that order now. And I could not receive against it, so it's closed short. That's a pretty quick time saver, isn't it?